Interarch building products. We have Arvind Nanda, who's the managing director there, to come to talk to us about their new latest order win. They've secured a 221 crore order for semiconductor and lithium-ion batteries from Tata projects. Sir, how quickly? So first off, welcome. Good afternoon.
Thank you. Good afternoon.
Right. Wanted to understand how quickly do you execute this, and what's the kind of margin, because this is slightly new in terms of the space that you're venturing into?
I think most of these orders that we get in this range, price range, have to be executed in 8 to 10 months maximum. Pre-engineered building industry is like that only. Nobody has any order which takes longer than that. But both these spaces we have worked in earlier. They are very new age industries. We have done a very large project for Excite batteries, lithium battery plant, which we finished last year. And for Tata's, we are also working on their Micron plant in Gujarat, which was the first semiconductor plant. So for us, both these are second plants, but very valid orders to get, because that gives us very large importance in these sectors, which are going to be the fastest growing sectors in the coming years, including the solar renewables, which also we are doing very well in. We have done a lot of renewable factories like Renew Power, First Solar. We are doing one for Reliance Solar, Ampin Solar. We are bidding for many of these large solar plants coming up by these large solar companies. So these are the spaces which it's very important for us to get into. So we are very happy to get these follow-on orders in this industry, validating our position as a premium supplier of pre-engineered buildings to these new age industries.
Sir, two questions next. One is, who do you compete with when you are bidding for these orders? And second is, for Tata projects in particular, is there scope for more orders coming through based on the relationship that you're establishing now with them?
Well, our main competition in this pre-engineered building is with multinationals. One is Kirby, which is larger than us, and it's a multinational Kuwaiti company in India for many years. And other companies like Zamil and some of the players which are listed also, like Everest and Penar. They are a competition, but in the large ones, the main competition is with Kirby, which is a big company in India also. And sorry, second part of your question was?
Is there scope for more orders from someone like a Tata Power, because it's a large player in the space?
Well, with Tata projects, we have worked extensively. We did the first solar plant with them. Tata Micron we are doing with them. This Agratas battery, then the semiconductor. So there's a lot of scope, and I think we are working very closely with them to have a long-term tie-up, which would make us work together in many of their projects. As you have heard on the news earlier, also Tata Projects is going very, very big on these large upcoming projects. And we are going to work very closely with them. And of course, very hopeful that they will choose us their partner for many of the upcoming projects.
So how do numbers shape up over the next couple of years for you? Therefore, you've got a healthy order pipeline. How does FY 26, 27 look like, and margins, will it get better from here?
Well, we are in a little bit of a silent period because of our quarterly results. But whatever is already in public space, yes, what we have said is that the next 2-3 years are going to be literally a boom time for Indian industry, Indian economy, the new age industry that we are very, very prominent in. And we feel that going forward, we have to gear ourselves to take the business which is available in the market. That is more critical for a pre-engineered building company. And we are gearing up. We have announced a new plant in Andhra, where phase 1 is completed. Phase 2 is going to finish. Another new line in our North India plant in Kitcha. We bought land in Gujarat, which we hope to start this year. So we are very hopeful that we'll ramp up the capacity well in time to take advantage. And with the growth in business, this business is has a very high operational leverage. As you get into larger orders, bigger clients, the size of the projects increases, your margins automatically improve in this pre-engineered building business.
Sure. Point taken. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us this afternoon and speaking with us with regard to this one, and wishing you all the very best for Q3 and beyond.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Right.